Okay, navigating to my second rider with FSD on. Let's see how we go. Picking up Simon in 76 Morris Road, so that's up near home. Interesting. Worked that one out nicely. Taking a detour, I'm going the right way. Crazy. Close. Okay, nicely done. Guy's game, yeah, he made it all right. Tesla did good. FSD did good. Have this issue of the service road or the service lane coming up here that's 50k. It usually picks that up, and I like to transfer over to the next lane. In preparation. You can nuke them over. But sorry there, you're right.
Yep. Thanks, mate. Right, shall I close it?
I'll close it if you like.
Yeah,
how's it going,
I didn't want
Simon?
to get dirt on your back seat because I've been hiking, so.
Oh.
Thanks.
Railway station's okay. Good, thank you. Now, this is a new car.
Yep.
And I've got full self-driving supervised. Are you happy for me to use that? I supervise the driving.
Sure.
Yeah?
Why not?
Why not?
I mean, it won't crash, will it?
No, I still just take it over.
Okay. Yeah, why not? Let's do it.
So it's...
It just
Ooh,
looks
wants to do a
itself.
U-turn. Well done. Good heavens.
So there's cameras everywhere, I guess.
Yeah, cameras everywhere. It's even changing gears for me. That's while I'm...
Okay.
Haven't done that before. It's interesting. So once that's coloured means I've selected full self-driving.
Well, the U-turn makes sense because it's this way.
Yeah, it is down to the station. Yeah.
Cool. Fair
But
enough.
I wasn't going to let it try and do that with you know, on a main road like that, you know,
Yeah.
with traffic about. Yeah, so I can just take over by doing this or pressing the brake.
Yep.
If there's a situation that doesn't look safe. I've been using it for a couple of months.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this is the first day I've been doing Uber with it.
Yeah.
I've just got it authorised yesterday. I've
Yep.
been using a different Tesla for Ubering
Yep.
around Warrnambool.
What do the colours in front of the car mean on the map?
The colours,
Yeah.
oh, it's just Elon and he's trying to be funny. I suppose Mario Kart uses that, I believe, that
Oh, okay.
computer game. Yeah, you can cancel that, so it's just a blue line
Oh, yeah.
on the options. Yeah, settings. Yeah.
So there's cameras all around.
Yeah,
the outside.
there's on the front blinkers on the sides here, front
Yeah.
fenders, there's a couple of cameras there and they face back.
Yeah.
There's cameras on both pillars,
Yeah.
they face forward. There's a couple of cameras up here.
Yeah.
There's a camera on the front bumper and your rear reversing camera out the back.
Yeah. Okay.
So all those in a very smart computer in here. Call it an inference computer. So Elon has training computers in data centers overseas, and they train it on all the video that accumulated from good drivers,
Yep.
and teach the computer to drive like a human, a good human driver.
Human driver.
Yeah. And because you're not computers aren't distracted with reading their phone, or dropping off to sleep, or drink driving, all those sorts of things, it's safer than a normal average American driver
Yeah.
by a number of times because of those instances. Now, there are shortcomings with the version they've given to Australia. It's version 13.2.9,
Yeah.
whereas the Americans are using version 14.2.2.4, which is a lot
Okay.
more, so that's not quite around far enough for me.
Yeah. Okay. But then it learns off you, right?
Yes, well, it says I disengaged because the car didn't complete its turn properly.
Yep.
So I've see that recording there, it says.
Yep.
Yeah, so it gets sent to Tesla, and they'll look at this video and see how they can change the software to encourage it to do the right thing.
Yeah, okay.
All too much information or rubbish? Or?
No.
So it's waiting for that car, which is good. You can see that one's turning left.
Yeah, you can see the other cars in the intersection too.
Yes, that's right. So that just gives you reassurance that what it's seeing, they're not the actual cars, they're just dummy
they're just dummies,
representations, yeah. So you're the first. I had a rider before and she wasn't really game to try it.
Yep.
So you're the first that's an Uber rider
Uh-huh.
in this car in Vaughnable. There wouldn't be any others in Vaughnable, I doubt. Don't think there's any other Tesla Ubers in Vaughnable.
Yeah, there wouldn't be many people using self-driving at all.
No, there's not. So it was a special on that they dropped at $3,000 to get that extra software.
Yeah.
And I'm a mad Tesla fanboy, so
Yeah.
I couldn't resist. So it's good. It just picks up all those signals that a normal human would. It's quite clever, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is there like a satellite
You feeling
component?
fairly safe?
Yeah, it feels
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, good. I beg your pardon.
There's a satellite component as well as the cameras in the car.
A satellite component.
Yeah, like GPS. There's something, because how can the car see
It's wanting to go
the cars that are further ahead? You know, back there when we were coming up to the roundabout, you know, like 30 meters away.
Yeah.
You can
Well,
see two
it's got
cars.
these cameras up here.
Right.
It's all calculated with the inference computer in here.
Yeah.
There's nothing downloaded remotely while we're in this dynamic stage.
How does it work now when we have this giant van blocking the view?
Yeah, I can't. I've taken over because that line's gone. Because
Oh, okay.
I'm not going to.
Where did it want to go? Left?
You do want to go left?
No. Where did the car want to go? Did you say it wanted to go left?
Yeah, it started to turn left,
Yeah, mine would wanted to do a U-turn up there, maybe.
but you're wanting to go to the train station.
Yeah, the
aren't you?
train station. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it thought it could turn or something. Or...
Maybe it did. Yeah. But as I say, it's not the latest software, so it's Australia and New Zealand got this in September. This
Yeah.
FSD, so full self-driving,
Yeah.
supervised software in September. That's good here.
Yeah, it's good.
Great. Thanks, Simon.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's one of the few. Now, because it's my big day, I'm giving away these little toothbrush holders
Okay.
for first day of use. So if you'd like to pick one, I'll just print them off my printer.
Sure.
Would you like to take one as a memento? I don't know
Yeah,
if you'll
blue
ever
one.
use it.
I'll have a blue one. The blue-green one. This one.
Yeah, that one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Good. No worries. There's a little...
You're Mr. Technology.
And the grandies, just pull it open to make sure it works. Just like that. And put your brush, just lift that lever up. Yep.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. The grandies put the little hinge in by melting the ends of a bit of filament there.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, so the grandkids do that.
Yeah, cool.
No worries, Simon. Thank you.
It's good for my travelling.
Yeah, you want the boot open, don't
mate.
we?
Do I just pop the thing?
I'll open it for you.
Alright. It's all new to me. Thanks.
Yep, no worries. And I'll close it when it's ready too.
Okay, cheers. Thank you. Have a good one.
All good. Thanks, Simon.
Cheers.
Cheers.